Joshua Powell here at San Boswell Honda, and this is a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport 2-liter turbo. You will have the power seat, which includes lumbar support. You'll have an eco mode for fuel efficient driving, parking sensors. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, use voice commands, change your media sources and control the volume, cruise control buttons on the other side. You'll have a CD player, be able to select your media sources. Up here, you will have an additional storage compartment. Climate control buttons. Power ports, aux and USB port. Heated seats. You will have a button to operate the power tailgate in the back, as well as a place to store your sunglasses. You'll have built-in buttons here on your rearview mirror. Be able to open up your garage door opener. You'll have the built-in privacy screens. Additional power port. Vehicle does come with a backup camera. You'll have your spare tire tool set, additional storage compartments, push button close. This is a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport 2-liter turbo. Here at San Boswell Honda, my name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.